Hello everyone, my name is Vana Supernova and welcome to my channel where I discuss everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. If you are interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Today we are discussing Miss Maker.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
And if you watched the previous video, you'll know that Miss Maker is my social media planner, my entrepreneurial planner. I don't know. I don't know why that word is just so hard for me to say. Like, what is my life? It's my business planner, okay? Anything having to do with business, being a boss, social media, keeping my life together, this is her. I chose this cover instead of the other covers, which I will list right here, because I felt like this looked like a flower and it looked like an afro, and it just gave me, I don't know, Afrocentric vibes. It's very eclectic, very different. I love the foil on it. I love the gold rings. Oh my god, it gave me everything vibes. So let's dive straight into Miss Maker. She has these pink and light pink, I don't know what that is, baby pink, I'm not sure, child. Lines here, very tribal, very geometric, very tribal. It gives me all those vibes. It says right here, Miss Maker is a happy planner girl. This planner belongs to me, Vana Supernova. Can't wait to put my name right there. Wait, so okay, I never realized that there was like a baby version of my planner right here in the intro. Oh my god, cute. And I kind of gave you a preview of everything in the beginning in my last video, which I'll link up here. This is the 2-year at a glance. Love it. This is our dashboard. Ta-da! Okay, so it has top priorities, it has January, reasons to celebrate, special project, make do, kind of, you can add your little list here. And then of course our holidays are right here. So it says on the January dashboard, been there, pinned that. Super cute. So as someone who is immersed in social media, I feel like this is very appropriate for a social media planner, because what better kind of planner to pick than one for or geared towards people who make things. I make videos, so I'm using Miss Maker. Let me show you every single month's dashboard and currently page, just so you can get an idea of how it pretty much flows. Before I actually get into that, I almost forgot. Yes, of course, this is January's. Very plain, doesn't have the weekends blocked off, but that's kind of a good thing. You kind of, sometimes neutral is good. On the side, you have the notes right here. So you can jot down little notes or whatever that you may need. This is pretty much what the weekly layout looks like. You have your daily doodles and bright ideas, your to-do list. At the bottom it says plan on it, and then you have this week's goal on the side. It says this week's priority right here. These little portions right here change, but pretty much I think everything else remains the same. You get a quote at the bottom on some of the pages. It says, in a perfect world, paper and fabric are free. Glitter never makes a mess. Chocolate makes you thin. And there is no such thing as a craft fail. So you see how it's not on this side right here. It's only on some of them, and this one right here changed. I think this is so stinking cute. Let me show you guys. Isn't that pretty? Your little sticker book, which I am obsessed with sticker books. Shout out to everyone who caught the huge sale on sticker books, where it was like, you go to Michael's and they're like $10, and then you also price match the BOGO from Joann's. Comment in the description box below if you actually took advantage of that. Like, I went ham, y'all. I went crazy with that sale, and I pretty much bought everything in the dang on store. I'm like so ashamed of myself. Oh, this is cute too. And there's more quotes. So how I'm going to utilize each section, I'm not sure. We're going to have to wait for a plan with me to kind of find out exactly how I'm going to utilize it for real, because I'm not sure. So we're here at February's dashboard. It looks the same. Color scheme is just a little bit different, I think. Yeah, it's just a little bit different. But let's go through the other months and go. And where once again we have a notes page on this side, and because she's a happy planner girl, the special edition, we get some extras. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we get project pages. Ooh, so let's see how many of these we get. One. Oh, I guess, yeah. So I got 8 of them in my planner. So pretty much you have your project start and end date, the budget, supplies on hand, supplies to purchase, cost, details, inspiration and resources, sketches and ideas, and then details are right here. Loving it. Not sure how I'm going to utilize them. I don't know if I'm going to make these for bulk filming days, and I don't know. I just think this is just amazing. I can't wait to use her. I'm very excited for her. If you have any questions about her, leave them in the comment section below. I think that every Miss Maker out there should grab one while you can. I can't wait to see what great things I'll create using Miss Maker here. If you enjoyed this video and like planner videos just like this one, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I also make other planner oriented videos, so if you're interested in those, click on the playlist here. I'll also link it below in the details, and consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. All right, you guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.